Now the time comes and the camera. Hi guys, I'm Diksha Rathod and welcome to my channel. So first of all, I would like to apologize. I look like this because I'm not wearing any makeup. I just took out my phone and started vlogging because I was going to shop and I wanted to take you guys along because I am shopping for my very first vlogging camera and I am very excited because I have always been complaining about the quality of my vlogs and asking you guys to avoid the background noises like this and yeah, that's why I needed a camera and I always said that in my vlogs. So yeah, today I am buying a camera. So it's not like I don't have a camera. I do have a camera. I have a Nikon D3400 with two lenses and the only thing two things, sorry, the two things that I don't like about vlogging in this camera, it's just too bulky for me and second thing is it does not have a flip screen because I am new and I really feel comfortable to see myself and talk to you guys and Amazon Amazon पे सेल भी चल रहा है सो आई थिंक आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर दैट डे मैं यही सोच रही थी कि सेल कब आएगा एंड when will I get to shop. So yeah, before starting I would like to ask you guys to take a moment and subscribe to my channel down below. It would make me very happy. मैं इतना खर्चा कर रही हूँ चैनल के लिए, आपको एक सब्सक्राइब करने में ज़रा भी पैसे नहीं लगेंगे, तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब to my channel and if you like this video please give a huge thumbs up. So without any further ado, let's get into my screen. So guys, I have shortlisted three cameras and I cannot decide. My heart, mind, soul is on this one, but this is the amount that I am not ready to pay. I cannot pay a fucking 70,000 for a camera. It's not even in my budget. So sorry uncle, I cannot buy you. And this Canon one is also a bit out of my budget, but we'll see. And where is the camera? So this Canon one is also a bit out of my budget, means I don't even want to spend a 42,000 rupees. Like इतना भी कोई बड़ा चैनल नहीं है मेरा कि इतना खर्चा करना है. So I just have this one option in my budget. It's actually the camera is worth rupees, wait I'll show you. The camera is worth rupees 38,690 and I am getting it for proper 30,000, which is in my budget. So I guess I'll buy. But so guys, I am shopping for one more thing. My mom wanted Alexa and she has been saying this since 1 year. वो एक साल से जब से उन्होंने मेरे कज़िन के घर पे एलेक्सा देखा है तब से she was so fascinated with Alexa that she told me that she wanted Alexa and well I decided to shop even that for her. I decided to take that for her as well. Actually I wanted to give it on her birthday but it's 1 month away. Her birthday is 1 month away and एक महीने बाद अगर ये सेल नहीं रहेगा तो मुझे महंगा पड़ेगा. I really like this one, so we are going to add this in the cart as well. So well, hi guys, the packages are here. I went to work after 7 months today and I am a lot tired. It was just a training. I just had to sit and listen to the instructor, but still I am so exhausted. But as soon as I came home, I found as soon as I learned, and I am super happy. So yeah, first I am going to unbox the camera, and after that I am going to ask my mom to unbox her Alexa. So let's, which one is which, we'd have to see. So about the delivery, the camera and the Alexa was ordered together. So I ordered it at around 8 o'clock in the evening, and the camera came home, like I received the camera at around 8 in the morning, and approximately 8 in the morning, and the Alexa came around, Papa Alexa કેટલા વાગે આવ્યું? હા કેટલા વાગે? 12:30. It came at around 11:30, 12:30 approx. So yeah, let's unbox the camera, and a quick disclosure. I am not a technical expert or a technical guru or something like that. I just bought something and I'm just showing you all guys, and not showing it off in any way, so please don't think that, and don't get me wrong. It's just that I am super happy to buy it, and I just wanted to share it with you all guys. So that's it, nothing else. So this I asked my dad. He said that the lighter one is the camera, and the heavier one is with Alexa, that my mom is going to unbox. Yay! Please do not accept this temple. So this is how the package looks. It is a 24.5 megapixel camera that I know, but where is the description? So it comes with a 32 GB memory card inside, and well, it is a 5100 Sony camera, and yeah, here is the description. Its features are 24.3 megapixel full HD AVCHD, which I don't know what is it, but it is full HD, I know that, and 6 FPS, 7.5 centimeter TFT. I don't know any of these terms, so but iska MRP, I am shocked. It is 40,990, and I got this for 29,990. So I am really shocked. Also, it has a 2 years warranty. So well, yeah, if you see this ulta, I am really sorry. So let's open this. I'm so sorry, my parents are speaking in the background. So what comes in the box? I have opened the box, and what comes in the box is, I don't know what this is. I think this is the warranty card. Yeah, this is warranty paper, warranty card. So I have to keep this safe. Then next what comes is, I think this is how to use and everything, the manual. No, this is the addresses of all the Sony centers where I can get this service. So thank you for that. I don't have to Google it. I take care of that. And then it is like Sony some pamphlet, and again, what is this? It's also battery package for customers and battery package. And then it comes with an instruction manual, Wi-Fi connection, one touch, then Sony help guide. So it comes with all the manuals in here. So you have so many papers, and this warranty card I'm going to give it to my papa, or I have to give it to my brother, my safe. So now the time comes, and the camera! Oh my god! Papa! interested. So it is a flip camera like this. I can now vlog like this. So guys, I forgot I had to show you what else was in the box. I was so focused on the camera that well, this is the adapter, and this is the battery. This is the battery. It is what, 1020 mAh battery. I don't know how long is it going to stay, but this is the wire that we plug it in here, I guess. So yeah, we plug this in here, and then they have given this OTG wire, which is the normal one. This is not the C type, and it has a lanyard, Sony lanyard. So this is all in the box. Now let's start the camera. I don't know if this one is charged or no, the battery is charged or no. Let's see. Well, yeah, let's on the camera. I'm on. Let's switch on the camera, but I think so. I have to charge the camera first. I have to charge the camera first. Alright, so let's get this charged. तो जब तक ये charge होता है तब तक I will ask my mom to switch on the Alexa. One more thing that I forgot to show you all guys, the case that they have sent me with the camera, the free case. There was, okay, there is one more thing, there was no memory card inside. So I was wrong, I said that there was no memory card, but there was. It was hidden here, so I didn't see it, but it was there. So I got a memory card. So I have kept this on charging, and now we are going to go. Now we are going to go to mommy and ask her to unbox the Alexa.
ऐसे नीचे उल्टा कभी नहीं खुलता. Alexa, show. Echo show.
Open करो. So heavy है. Oh my god, it's so huge. Okay, so this is Alexa. Mama,
Echo show.
Alexa Echo Show 8 inches, right? Show, Mama. So it comes with a camera and the speaker here. We have 7,000 rupees. Nice, no? Are you happy, Mama?
Yes, very.
So my mom's Alexa, she wanted it from more than 1 year, and she saw it in my Masi's house, and she was so fascinated. She wanted this, and my daddy got it for her birthday. So birthday 1 महीने बाद है.
Advance.
Open. अबे અહીંયાથી ખોલો, અહીંયાથી. Wow, beauty.
छोटा सा टीवी.
ના પાપા કેમેરો છે બાજુમાં. આજો લ્યો. ફોટા પકડ્યા છે. ચાર્જર ચાર્જિંગ આવે છે.
Hello. આજે બર્થડે છે.
ॲप डाउनलोड करावं लागतं.
Alexa, ॲप डाउनलोड करू. दोन चालतं नाही, तुम्ही चालतं.
मग बધી इन्स्ट्रक्शन आपल्याला
पप्पा, आवर काढून दे. आणि लगेच कधी राखा all the time. तो अब ये भी चार्ज हो रहा है. चालू हो गया. रिंग लाइट सॉरी मम्मा स्पीक एलेक्सा
Alexa,
प्ले
play
अरे मला
Lata Mangeshkar song.
I couldn't find the songs you requested. Shuffling songs by Lata Mangeshkar on Amazon Music.
प्रेक्षा राठोड गोवा ब्लॉग
ब्लॉग आहे ब्लॉग आहे.
that's my vlog
फुल स्क्रीन
ring light
Oh, grammar.
अभी मेरी मम्मी इसमें देखेंगे है ना सुपर है ना मम्मा
Yes.
So guys, I was editing the vlog and realized that I started playing with the camera and didn't end the vlog. So I just wanted to come here and say those few lines that I always say. Please give a huge thumbs up on this video if you like this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, I am not a technical guru or something like that. I just shared my happiness with you guys and I wasn't bragging in any way or not showing off in any way. It was just how I wanted to share my happiness. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching and bearing me till the end of this video. See you guys next time. Bye bye. With an upgrade, of course. Bye bye.